Oh, kid.
Scotty, you don't have a cold now, do you?
A what?
A cold?
No, she just sneezes a lot.
Have you been sneezing a lot? Hmm?